racing in the ring. We have Copper Jew first to show quickness at the start, moving upon the outside. Siras in the middle portion comes Quiet Girl, then followed over now by Ali Dancer. Next online now is Great Emma, moving upon the outside. Regal Boom, while Latiene is the early trailer. When going along for the first turn, we have Copper Jew on its favorite position as the pace setter by about 2 lengths. Quiet Girl in second. Siras is down in third. Next online is Ali Dancer, then followed over by Regal Boom, Great Emma, while Latiene is still racing in seventh. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Copper Jew by a length and a half, followed now by Siras in second. Quiet Girl is down in third. Moving upon the outside is Ali Dancer, Regal Boom, Great Emma, while Latiene is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Copper Jew is still in control, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Siras in second, down in third now is Ali Dancer. Next online is Great Emma. Regal Boom comes next, Latiene, while Quiet Girl now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have Copper Jew this time by about 5 lengths. Moving upon the outside, Ali Dancer with about 100 meters of the race. It's still Copper Jew followed by Ali Dancer. And finally, from start to finish, it's Copper Jew, Ali Dancer. Great.
So yun nga po, no? Copper Jew. At sumigunda itong si Ali Dancer. 1456A 362.
Ba? Order of finish ba?
Binigay ko na tayo dyan, pero tapos na.
Pati yung 6A,
Umuulan na.
Oo.
Makikita nyo sa inyong TV monitors. Yun nga, ang quarters natin. 18, 24 and a half, 23 and a half, finishing at 28. 134 lang ang ginawa ni Copper Jew para sa 1,500 meters.
That's Jackie J.B. Hernandez. 56 kilograms ang kailangan i-clear ni Uno. Okay, nakangiti pa.